Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you one of my personal favorite dishes, chicken pesto pasta. Now if you have watched my last episode, I actually made my own homemade basil pesto sauce. I'll put a link for that in the description below. This dish is full of beautiful vegetables, lots of flavor, and I'm really excited to be sharing it with you. So if you're as excited as I am, give this video a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get the ball rolling on this episode of Mom, That's Yucky. To begin, you will need 1 pound of chicken breasts. You can cut them into small strips or cube them. An 8.5 ounce jar of sun-dried tomatoes in oil, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 small onion diced, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of basil pesto, you can use homemade or jarred pesto, 5 minced garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 16 ounces of penne pasta. Alright, you're going to want to get those sun-dried tomatoes. Some of them come pre-sliced, mine don't, so I'm going to just chop them up a little bit. You're going to want to drain out most of the oil, but reserve just a little bit because you're going to want to add that to your dish itself. It'll give it a little bit more flavor. Begin by turning on the heat to start boiling your water and add salt. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add in your sun-dried tomatoes, your red pepper flakes, and chicken, and cook for about 3 minutes. Toss in your onions and mushrooms and cook until they begin to soften. Once they soften, add your pasta to your boiling water. Next, add your spinach. It will look like a lot, but trust me, it will completely reduce down. Add the garlic cloves and cook for about 2 minutes or until fragrant. You will then mix in your pesto sauce and reduce the heat. Season with salt and pepper, and then add in your heavy cream as well. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it and slowly mix it into your pan, making sure the sauce coats the pasta completely. Serve with warm garlic bread and top with Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, you guys, an easily prepared dinner. Now, like I said, you can use the basil pesto recipe that I did in an earlier episode or jarred pesto. Either way, it'll be a delicious meal. But I'll put that recipe in the description below in case you want to try it out for yourself. If you like this video, don't be afraid to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be putting this recipe along with all of my other recipes up on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. If you have any suggestions, don't be afraid to put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. But until next time, you guys, my name is Amanda Evans, and this has been Mom, That's Yucky. See you later, guys.